Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Portronics UFO home charger. The model number is POR343. Basically, this is a charging hub, a USB-A charging hub, which comes with 6 USB-A ports, which I mentioned. As you can see, it's written over here, 6 USB charging ports, and comes with 1 meters of power cord, 8 amperes of total output, LED power indicators, imported intelligent chip, over voltage protection, and short circuit protection. Basically, it comes with a circuit breaker. And that's more or less all the information on the box. I'll now open this and show you what's inside. This is what you'll find inside the box. We have a very tiny warranty card from Portronics, and this is the 1 meter long power cable that comes with this particular USB hub. This is a 3-pin power cable, and this is the power cable in question. This is white. This is the white variant, and it's made out of ABS plastic, and there's a Portronics logo right on top. And you will notice there are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 USB-A ports. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7th one is basically your power port. This is good for charging multiple devices that supports USB-A charging. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Portronics UFO home charger. The model number is POR343. Thank you for watching.